Alright, so I have a bunch of items right out here before me, and I'm gonna try to decide on what I need and which is necessary to put in this small survival kit. Now, obviously, you could get a larger bag, but if you want a survival kit, that is light, easy to carry. So I'd recommend putting it in a smaller container like this. And this is metal, so you can also boil water in it. So that's a plus. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look at is this antibiotic ointment. I think this would be a good choice to put in. So we're going to put it in just because it's small. That could really help with infections, which you don't want in the woods. Also put in a couple Band-Aids. Might as well put them all in. And then we also have some portable aqua tablets. These would be very helpful in case you find water, as you'd want to purify it. So we can put this in, and also this, which are also tablets that will not make you taste it as much. And then, what else? We have some matches. These are very small, very lightweight matches, and they'll work perfectly for this kit. So I'm going to put these in too, right there. And then we also have a compass, just a mini compass. Don't need one more than this size, so that would take up too much space. And then also, I have these two magnifying glasses because, as you may know, magnifying glasses can light fires. So I'm going to pack this one. We'll see if it fits. You might have to take it out later. And if you guys have seen in one of my earlier videos, there's a link. I have it on YouTube Shorts. Anyway, this is car rubber, like from a tire. It actually burns very well for a long time. So I'm actually going to put a piece of that in there. And then also first aid. If you live in an area like me with ticks, you might want to have one of these. It'll help you get the ticks out. And well, maybe not. We'll see. See what fits at the end. Also, you want some paper. And just in case, like, you were to get a snake bite or something, you would want to write down, like, the color of the snake so you can tell emergency people about it. And then also would want to include a pencil or something, just in case. Yeah. Alright guys, next we're going to look at knives. So I have 3 different types of knives I can choose. I have my Swiss Army knife. This is a good choice because it's small, has different features. I also have a regular knife, folding pocket knife. Then I have my big bushcraft knife, but this is not going to fit in our kit, so I won't be able to use that today. So I think it depends on you, but since we're going for space today, I'm going to put in the Swiss Army knife, leave that one out, and yeah. Alright, now more fire. The matches aren't going to last forever, and the magnifying glass. So yeah, and the magnifying glass, I'm going to choose to take it out for now, and I put it in later. But I have a ferro rod, which in case you don't know is basically a very long-lasting rod of sparks, and the sparks are very, very hot, and they can light dryer lint or other fine material. So I'm just gonna take out a bit of this dryer lint, like that much, and I'm gonna put this in there. So that would be a good thing to light with your ferro rod. I also have a video on how to use my ferro rod. Go check it out on my channel. But anyway, you use it by scraping the back of your knife against it to produce sparks, and those basically light your whole fire. And okay, so what else do we have here? I also have some paracord, and this paracord is special paracord because it has different types of fibers in it. This red fiber right here is actually material that will light from the spark cell of your ferro rod. And we also have some fishing line right in the middle there, and then just regular paracord. So yes, I really recommend buying it. It is a very good choice. I'll cut it off and then put it in the kit. Alright, so something else I have that I could put in our bigger kit is a survival fishing kit. It's a very small fishing kit, and it basically has everything you need to fish. Clean line, even a small knife, and so yes, this would be good to bring out. So I'm gonna try to make some room to put this in. Let's just take some of that out there. And I think we can fit it across like that if we make some room. So yeah, there we go. And there's just a couple more things we need to add. So another great thing to use in the outdoors are plastic bags, actually. So they could be a container for holding water and other foods that you might come across. We can put those in there too. And then one other thing is moleskin. This is great for in case you get blisters. You can just cut a circle around it and put it around the blister, and it prevents it from getting worse. And yeah. Alright guys, I have one more thing that I want to add to my survival kit, and that is a whistle. This will help you get found really quickly and will alert rescuers from many miles away. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'm just going to put the lid on this, and then this survival kit is good to go. You can just pack this in your bag if you're hiking, anything. It's just always good to have a backup survival plan in case you get lost. And thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to subscribe, I have more videos like this. And come check out my channel. See you next time.